Okay, so the tension in chord A. Well, we can go to these formulas and solve for T, but here's the problem. This isn't quite accurate for T. It didn't really matter before because they canceled out and the overall result in the tension of the chord didn't play a role. Um, it didn't play a role in finding the acceleration. However, the tension does rely on the acceleration above. If we look here, the fact that they're falling loosens the tension in holding a puppet and letting it go, and the strings just kind of collapse and lose their tension. So any acceleration that they're experiencing will decrease the tension. Right. So what to find for mass A, take into account the we subtract the tension of the chord above. Okay, so let's do that. GA minus MA C A. Here we go. Before that would be to the tension in chord A. Um, but we need to take into account the tension above. So the tension in chord C. And remember, the tension in chord C right here will be the same as the tension just above A plus MB. It's the same on both sides. So now we plug in the mass. We've got force of gravity of bucks. Let's see, so that's MAG minus MAG G M B dun 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 dun. That was live music played by Santa Claus and the Polka Band. They live next door. Okay. So, let's see. I am going to use not this version, but this version, and see in parentheses G. You'll see why in a second. It's just easier to factor out the G. That was supposed to be. Alright. Still kind of looks like a B. This is um, this is all there minus MC G. Now you may ask, how come it's minus here when it's plus here? Well, remember we're subtracting it, so it's essentially like we're multiplying this by -1. If we do, then this is negative MC, etc., and this is negative MCG. Okay, so now that we have it in this format, we can factor out the G. See if you can find meaning in the way it looks. And notice how it relies, the tension relies so much on the mass of the objects. And notice the sparkle of the fine wine. And notice the color that he used in this painting to evoke an image of malaise, peut-être. Alright. Plus okay. Minus MC equals tension in box A. Alright, good job.